In this Fincenti review video, I'm going to be sharing everything you need to know about Fincenti and how it works. Fincenti is a growth and management progression tool that focuses on keeping you and your team focused on the tasks at hand in quite an unusual way. This tool is split into two core areas, which is the daily progress tool and the end of day reflection. Now, before we dive into the dashboard, if you have any questions whatsoever about Fincenti, go ahead and drop them below, and I tend to reply within a few minutes to a couple of hours. And I'll also leave a discounted link below, which will constantly be updated so you can always get your value for money for this product. Let's head over to my screen and start this Fincenti demo. Here we are in the dashboard of Fincenti. A brief overview will show you the calendar days, which you can navigate backwards and forwards, which will also display all the previous activity. Then you have a snapshot of all the post type. On the right will display your team members. The activity will display what's been going on the specific day. And on the left is the main navigation. Let's start off with my feed. In this area is where you start entering information. So in here, we're going to ask ourselves a question. So for example, how satisfied is your customer with the delivery of your product or service? Then under it, you can keep it private, shared, which is with your external managers or your personal team, restricted, which is visible to you and your Fincenti coordinates. We're going to make this shared, and you can make it anonymous or display under your name. I'm going to go ahead and do anonymous. Then you can decide what sort of message this is. Is it a feedback, review or note, daily progress tool, or is it an end of day reflection? Well, this is going to be an end of day reflection, so we're going to select that. And I've just made my screen a little bit smaller so my camera doesn't get in the way. Next, you can actually link videos, or you can link YouTube or Vimeo videos. So we're going to go ahead and paste a video link and do confirm. If you have templates, we're going to get into that, but you can access your pre-made templates or create a new template. So if we do the plus sign and just type test one, and you can create your own questions, growth tips and quotes, so you can keep on repeating. So let's just go ahead and paste in a question there and then do create. That's been created successfully. So now you can always access them under your templates whenever you want. And when you're ready, click submit. And now at the end of the day, this will be showed, and it can even show a spoiler of the video here. Next, if you have business coaches, consultants, business trainers, or even business mentors, which are classed as external consultants for your firm, they actually have a inside consultant team which focus on business coaching, consulting, business training, business mentorship and business advice. And all you'll do is fill out this information and click request, and then they will contact you, and it will be of the country of your choice. The team feed is the exact same thing as the my feed, apart from one difference, which is it's specifically for your feed. And in the team, this is where you add people and then do invite. Once they've accepted the email, they'll then show here. Inside my templates, really simple. This is where the templates we add. And if you want to pin them so they stick to the top, you just select this button. You can delete them, edit them, or even create new ones. And then when you start creating more posts in the team feed or my feed area, click on the template, go to my templates, and then add it in like so. You can select which one you want and then do submit. Overall, that is as far as this tool will take you. Now, there are a few things I would improve with Fincenti, one of them being the interface. I think it can be a little smoother, nice on the eyes. Right now it feels very basic, a bit demotivating in a way, but it is a new tool, so hopefully they will improve as time goes on. But ultimately, it's simple to use. You can start using this tool within 5 minutes. The learning curve is next to none. And if you find yourself wanting to self-reflect on your business and your teammates' actions, this tool will help you do just that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.